Welcome to the breathtaking wonders of Lisbon, where history whispers through cobblestone streets and every corner feels like a storybook come alive. In this video, we're taking you on a Lisbon, Portugal Old Town walking tour that will showcase the heart of this vibrant city. From historic landmarks to modern marvels, Lisbon proves why it's one of the most enchanting capitals in Europe. Fascinating facts about Lisbon. But before we dive into the wonders of Portugal, let's start with some fascinating facts about Lisbon to show why it deserves a spot on your travel list. Lisbon, one of Europe's oldest cities, boasts a history dating back over 3,000 years, making it even older than Rome. Known as the City of Seven Hills, it offers stunning viewpoints or miradouros that reveal breathtaking panoramas of its colorful rooftops and the shimmering Tagus River. The city is the birthplace of fado music, a soulful genre that captures the heart of its rich culture and traditions. Home to the longest bridge in Europe, the impressive Vasco da Gama Bridge, Lisbon also enjoys over 2,800 hours of sunshine annually, making it one of Europe's sunniest capitals. Whether you're strolling through its charming streets, marveling at its historic architecture, or soaking in its vibrant energy, Lisbon seamlessly blends ancient charm with modern allure. The Belém Tower, or Torre de Belém, is one of Lisbon's most famous symbols, standing proudly on the banks of the Tagus River. Built in the early 16th century, this fortress was once a defense tower protecting the city's harbor. Its unique design blends Gothic, Moorish and Renaissance styles, making it an architectural masterpiece. The tower also played a key role during Portugal's Age of Exploration, as it was the starting point for many voyages to the New World. Today, visitors can explore its interior, climb to the top for incredible views, and learn about Portugal's rich maritime history. A visit to Belém Tower is a must for anyone experiencing the wonders of Lisbon on a Lisbon, Portugal walking tour. Monument of the Discoveries. The Monument of the Discoveries is one of Lisbon's most impressive landmarks, standing proudly along the Tagus River. This massive ship-like structure celebrates Portugal's Age of Discovery, honoring the explorers who helped shape the world's history. At the front of the monument, you'll find a striking statue of Henry the Navigator, the man who led Portugal's exploration efforts in the 15th century. The monument is filled with carvings of famous explorers, sailors, and cartographers. If you climb to the top, you'll be rewarded with amazing views of the river and the city. Visiting the Monument of the Discoveries gives you a sense of Portugal's proud past and is a must-see on any Lisbon, Portugal tour. At the heart of Lisbon's bustling downtown lies Rossio Square, a lively meeting point that has been the pulse of the city for centuries. Known for its striking wave-patterned cobblestone pavement and grand fountains, the square buzzes with energy as locals and tourists gather to enjoy its vibrant ambience. Surrounded by historic buildings, charming cafes and shops, it's an excellent spot to experience Lisbon's unique blend of old-world charm and modern life. Whether you're savouring a pastel de nata at a nearby cafe or taking in the square's stunning architecture, Rossio Square is an essential stop on any Lisbon, Portugal walking 4K tour. Vasco da Gama Bridge. The Vasco da Gama Bridge is one of the most impressive modern structures in Lisbon and is also the longest bridge in Europe. Stretching over 17 kilometers across the Tagus River, this massive bridge connects Lisbon to the southern part of Portugal. Named after the famous explorer Vasco da Gama, it symbolizes Portugal's rich history of discovery and exploration. Driving or walking across the bridge offers spectacular views of the river and the surrounding area. It's an iconic sight that stands out in Lisbon's skyline, and whether you're traveling by car or simply admiring it from afar, the Vasco da Gama Bridge is a must-see in Lisbon, Portugal 4K. Cristo Rei Statue. The Cristo Rei Statue is one of Lisbon's most striking landmarks, towering over the city on a hilltop in Almada. Inspired by the famous Christ the Redeemer statue in Rio de Janeiro, this towering monument stands 28 meters tall and offers a stunning view of Lisbon across the Tagus River. It was built in the 1950s as a symbol of peace and gratitude, after Portugal avoided the destruction of World War II. From the observation deck, you can take in breathtaking views of the city, the 25th of April Bridge, and the surrounding coastline. A visit to the Cristo Rei statue is a great way to see Lisbon from a different perspective and is a must on any Lisbon, Portugal walking tour. The 25th of April Bridge. The 25th April Bridge is one of Lisbon's most recognizable landmarks, often compared to the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco due to its striking red color. Spanning the Tagus River, this suspension bridge connects Lisbon to the city of Almada on the opposite bank. Opened in 1966, it's named after the peaceful revolution that took place in Portugal on April 25, 1974, which ended the dictatorship. The bridge offers amazing views of Lisbon's skyline, and walking or driving across it is a memorable experience. It's an essential part of the city's modern landscape and a must-see on any Lisbon Portugal 4K tour. Standing at the edge of the European continent, Cabo da Roca, or Cape Roca, is a dramatic cliffside destination that offers a once-in-a-lifetime view of the Atlantic Ocean's vastness. Known as the westernmost point of mainland Europe, this windswept location is marked by a lighthouse and a stone monument engraved with the words of Portugal's famous poet, Luís de Camões, "Here, where the land ends and the sea begins." The rugged beauty of its rocky cliffs, crashing waves, and unspoiled natural surroundings make it a mesmerizing escape for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Visiting Cabo da Roca is a true highlight of any Lisbon, Portugal Old Town 4K walking tour and a perfect way to experience the raw power and beauty of Portugal's coastline. Sintra-Cascais Natural Park. Nestled just outside Lisbon, the Sintra-Cascais Natural Park is a paradise for those seeking a blend of nature and history. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to dense forests, dramatic cliffs, and pristine beaches, all interwoven with enchanting landmarks like the colorful Pena Palace and the mystical Quinta da Regaleira. As you wander through the park, you'll discover hidden trails, lush gardens, and breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean. A perfect escape from the city's hustle, the park offers tranquility and awe-inspiring scenery. No Lisbon Portugal walking 4K tour is complete without exploring the magic of this natural wonder. São Jorge Castle. Perched atop one of Lisbon's famous 7 hills, São Jorge Castle offers a majestic glimpse into the city's rich history. This ancient fortress, dating back to the 11th century, was once a Moorish stronghold and later a royal residence. Its well-preserved ramparts and towers provide panoramic views of Lisbon's sprawling rooftops, the shimmering Tagus River, and iconic landmarks. As you wander through its courtyards and explore its archaeological site, you'll feel transported to a bygone era of knights and kings. A visit to São Jorge Castle is a must for history enthusiasts and a highlight of any Lisbon, Portugal Old Town 4K walking tour. Jerónimos Monastery. The Jerónimos Monastery is not just a beautiful building, it's a place filled with history and wonder. Did you know it was built to honor Vasco da Gama's successful voyage to India? This stunning monastery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, took over 100 years to complete. Its intricate carvings and designs are inspired by the sea, showing Portugal's deep connection to exploration. Inside, you'll find the tomb of Vasco da Gama, a tribute to one of the greatest explorers in history. Walking through the peaceful cloisters and the grand chapel feels like stepping back in time. The Jerónimos Monastery is a must-see for anyone exploring the wonders of Lisbon on a Lisbon, Portugal Old Town 4K walking tour. Lisbon is a city full of rich history, stunning architecture, and unforgettable views. From the ancient São Jorge Castle to the modern Vasco da Gama Bridge, every corner of this city has a story to tell. Whether you're exploring the Jerónimos Monastery or taking in the breathtaking sights at Cabo da Roca, Lisbon offers something for every type of traveler. If you enjoyed this journey through the wonders of Lisbon, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Travel Cyclopedia for more incredible travel guides and hidden gems from around the world. Drop a comment below with your favorite spot in Lisbon, and let's keep the adventure going. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.